This is the first IKEA catalog. It was born in the woods of Sweden a long time ago. Back then, we were a small company with a big idea: to create a better everyday life for the many people. The idea spread, and our little company grew. So did our catalog. Every year, it inspires more and more people around the world to create homes they love. Now, we're taking the inspiration one step further. This year, the IKEA catalog is alive. Alive with smart ideas, fun stories, and beautiful products. Every page marked with this symbol is a door to a world of additional content. Download the IKEA catalog app for your smartphone or tablet and scan to unlock films, interactive experiences, photo galleries, and more home furnishing inspiration. With this year's IKEA catalog, there are endless possibilities to make your life at home just a little bit better.